Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Forex Black Box. Quick update of today. Um, just doing a live stream. If anyone interested to ask a question, I will be monitoring the live feed. Just get this just a second. If you can see me and hear me, please say hi or something on the chat so I can know that I'm actually coming live. There's no button here to say go live. I think I'm live, yeah. Okay, I think I am broadcasting. Let me see. Yeah, I'm actually coming alive. Okay, cool. Right. Hello, everyone. Just hi, Adra. Adar. Sorry if I pronounced your name wrongly. Okay, quick update of today. At the same time, I'm doing it live because I want you to ask me a question and I will reply to you live. Um, I was trying to do that in Discord, but no one showed up on Saturday, I believe, last Saturday, and I'll try to do that more often. And sorry that I'm coming late to the party. It was a busy day here. It's very hot in London and so on. So anyway, look at S&P 500 at the moment, the future contract. If I look on the daily, just gonna remove all the drawing and we'll have a look here, guys. We see that all-time highs here, and we're nearby now. It's like not far really from the all-time highs. Just trying really hard to move it up. I think that's something to do with the Fed keep printing money, and they brought it down here when they bumped the market with tons of money, as they have the ability to print with no limit. So the market definitely is going to go to all-time highs, even higher. Where to? I'm not sure really. We just go to a round number, 35,000, 3,500. Sorry, 3,500. That could be where we can stall, or just before that number, and we will bounce back down. Not for too far, but we will see. First things first, we have here a breakout, and that breakout been tested by the 20 moving average. Test the breakout level of here, climbing back up and keep going. So that's the difference is keep going, but before the 35 number, the round number is going to be a drop from there. I think. I'm not sure, but after that breakout, we have a major move. We have a major move, pullback, major move, a small pullback, maybe another major move. Not sure if this is going to be the third one up, since this is high here broken by the third time. Second time, one, two, carbon um, carbon handle, if you want to call it. Break above it, and we keep going without no retesting. 20 moving average is still a bit far from the original price. The average price is really low, and we had it here before many times, touching the 20 moving average to continue back up. So I think that's going to definitely going to break all-time highs. The other, the first qualifier is we trending back up. The second qualifier is the Fed brought the market from down here, bump it back up here around this level. Then after that, buyer getting interested to jump in the market. We see that is very small volume going on, and here she's big volume. That must be a big money pushing that market. Really big money pushing that market here. It was a big money as well pushing that market down. So when we come close to special level like this one, we start to see some slowing down, losing steam. Probably going to do bull back and continue back up. Enough of S&P 500. Look for Nasdaq at the moment. I like Nasdaq really behavior. I've been trading it recently only, not S&P 500. Trying to shift my attention to it. We'll break out, come back retest, and I'm looking for breakout higher. So above this all-time highs is going to be very interesting to see where we're going. I think the 1165 is going to be a good level. That was a fib extension, so that could be a good level to exit if you brought it off CFDs. Of course, you're probably buying off the moving averages and get out of the previous highs. Most of my friend, they do that all the time in CFDs. They buy around that moving average, they come back retest, and continuation. Here we're below the 20 moving average. Of course, it's been pulling back recently, and very interesting behavior. Just pull back, guys. This is top 100 companies in US, and normally they do buy the market in every pullback. Overall, the picture is uptrend. That's the main. Um, just hide this. So we see that is moving up all the time. Like we start to break out of here and we bounce, come back retesting and bounce again. That's the pandemic. From that bottom, big investment. Really, they exit some here. Maybe they're waiting for one to one. So definitely in a play, but the market is really trending up. So keep an eye on that. Sorry, I'm lagging a little bit. Looking on the. So I think this is gonna be only pullback here. If I just put my drawing back, this is a box here, that range, break out of it and come back retesting. I like to see hold, continuation back up. So for me, I did trade it today, mostly long and short, between as 50-50. I short it and I long it back on the 5 and 1 minute. So this is a 5 minute, went down. I was short, and after I started getting long above here and I exit around there, give me a pullback, and I saw this momentum start to build in here. I jumped in again, I exit around these highs and pull back again, and I took it back higher to the pivot point. Pivot point is not shown here, but that's where the pivot is. And coming back down now, pulling back. So in my opinion, that is momentum up. We'll break the swing here, coming back. Was gonna do maybe ABC, then come back up again before the close. That would be very interesting to see what's happening from here today. On the daily, we just still inside candle. We went up above it, and we have a failure. Went down, held the angle of the trend line, and come back up. If we stay at this rate, come back up a little bit more, we close a dodgy candle, we will be waiting for another momentum down and up. So the start of the day for following candle is going to be down momentum or up momentum first, then come back down after. Whenever one come first, from the opening of each candle is very important to see the market is started to go down from the opening or go up from the opening. Very important to indicate who's in control, buy or sellers. Right, have a look on gold, guys. Gold is just dropping really, really crazy today. You see that we didn't really try to come back up from this point. We should be coming back up if the momentum want to continue. However, we went down instead. Right, we touched the 20 moving average right on it. Told you before, remember, stay here. This box is going to be retested, and indeed we did retest it, but very strong momentum down. We even broke the box itself and went all the way down to the 20 moving average. Look for this failure. I like to see this price to hold. I like even the price if tomorrow open, go a little bit and come back above it. I don't mind at all to continue back up. But if we hold the 20 moving average plus we hold in this level here, if we hold it today, tomorrow we'll start to come back up to test the high of the range. There'll be good opportunity to short it back if it shows that, or continuation up. So from this point here, we should see one more pullback, just retracement, quick retracement, right? It's not going to be big one, very big. If it starts getting small around these highs, indicating that we can go down a little bit lower. Anyway, we hit really very good target here, 2,700 plus. Anyone have questions? I know there's not much of you here, but um, Bitcoin is following the lead of gold. It looks like Bitcoin is trying to mimic gold behavior. Went down today. Is not dollar is not really strong, right? It's not really strong, but gold is weak, giving opportunity to dollar to push a little bit against it. So dollar is not strong, guys. All right. A nice Bitcoin here. We touched this twice. We have a failure. Look like a failure here for me. 2 times. 1, 2. Try to break above the bodies. We couldn't really get above this, so we're coming back down now. Let's see how that day gonna close. Whether or not it's going to be a failure here, or it's gonna go a little bit lower below this, maybe a little bit lower tomorrow to test that 20 moving average. Then from there we'll see whether or not we'll carry on or we're gonna break below it, retest, continue back down. I didn't trade it myself, but I'm just doing that for the trader who do Bitcoin watching my channel. Here as well, I don't like oil very much. He's trying to break above this red line many times. It's been smacked down every time go up, smacked down. So we just hold it above the 20 moving average. That's why I'm not calling it a short yet. I think he's gonna go deep here, dip, one dip down, then after that we'll come back up. I think that's what we're looking for. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe and like and leave a comment. I also have a Discord server running, and I will be doing more on this server to do 1-to-1 or 1-to-10 or 1-to-5 people. We'll see how it go. Silver, I'm not really. I don't trade silver. Silver is following gold behavior. If it's gold going up, silver will go up. Gold is going down, silver will go down. But I will do it for you. That's fine. I will give me a minute. I don't know where it is. Silver. Uh, Forex. I call it Forex. Gold silver rate. Um, all. I'm not sure if it's silver itself or silver dollar stock CFDs. I'm not sure where's CFDs. Do you know the symbol for it? Look for it, please. Give me the symbols and I will run it for you from MT4. Uh, right, looking at the dollar index now. You see that, guys? As I said, dollar index is not really strong. Dollar is not really strong. It's just holding this box. Remember, if we talked about that before, we have another failure here, coming back down, testing support here, line from previous levels. But it is just stalling here for now. I think it's gonna go down lower. It's got more room to go for. If you go down to the monthly, that's where we are. We didn't really come near this level or this level. I'm looking for this level to be tested, which is about 91-ish, 91. So it's just maybe this month is going to hold a little bit here, just a small pullback. Even we are already 11 of the months, 11 days in the month. We went down, test here, come back up a little bit, come back down. We smack right there where the price opened. What that telling me? That telling me there's not much of buyer interested to buy this market. However, seller waiting for the market to collapse and then they will jump in. So I think that if we stayed on that rate until the end of the month, we're gonna close dodgy or up a little bit. Even if you come up here, this candle is not strong enough to override this candle. The amount of seller went inside this candle monthly, they still in the market, they still pressure the market down. And if the market wanted to go back up, we will see the guys giving up here, but they're looking for more. They're looking for more momentum down to this level. So I think dollar is going to be really weak in the coming days, months. We have a one, two. I'm looking for three down. Sorry, my drawing just keeps jumping. One, two, failure. Come back down here. Successful breakout, and we trying to retest probably that breakout, and we'll continue back down lower. I'm looking at the monthly candlestick. I don't really care about the price. It's called ZI. Right, let me see. So anyways, so that's on the monthly. It looks weak. On the weekly, is really no momentum up. Daily, just sideways here, holding this level for now until the 20 moving average. Probably gonna catch up with it. When we touch it, we'll see Salah getting interested and a jump in the market. Let me try to get this ZI silver future. Okay, no, it's not this one. No, I don't have the data for it. Sorry. If you can get me the CFDs one from MT4 against the dollar. Just a second, guys. Just a second. I will buzz for a sec. I can't find it. So Yeah, sorry, I will do that later on. I don't know where the silver is. ZI future silver. I don't have it. August, September. No, I don't see data coming through for silver. I think I have to pay for it to get this data. I'm gonna just stick with my list where I do it for now, but I will get that for you later on, right? Where we are. Dollar index euro. So euro is doing the opposite, guys. Just you need to remember that always in the back of your head. If you trade in euro dollar, you know that is opposite of dollar index. So if euro dollar is going up, dollar index is going down because we're trading directly against the dollar, right? So you see that we touched this zone here and we're coming back down now. And if dollar index start to getting weaker, we'll see euro continue this momentum up. The day on the day today is a positive, but we bounced off here. Looks like a failure in low time frame. So this momentum is not going to last for long. And we have a failure up there. So we're still inside candle of yesterday. We don't really leave this zone yet. So when we leave this zone, we will see whether it's up momentum or is it down momentum. Also, if you want to go down here, you see that the trend line plus the 20 moving average, you could hold this level for a while, right? So just keep an eye on that. Bowen as well, cable. You see that cable is just isolating around this trend line. We break above the box here we created from this high and this low. We had a failure down here, bounce all the way back up. We'll give you another failure. Respect that level here. I'm expecting that to come back up and test that high as well. Come back down again until we see a momentum changing. But according to dollar indexes start getting weaker, I reckon that is going to continue back up. I need to clean this chart. It's quite busy here, overwhelming everybody. And yeah, I'm gonna extend this in case if we want to come back down to it, it will act as a support. If we come back here, come back slowly, act as a support. Probably we're gonna bounce one more time from here. Also, about 50% of this move here, it could just give you that 50% down test, retest, retracement, and continue back up. Pound yen. So since the dollar is weak, you see that yen is weak. It should be strong a little bit, but pound is just pushing, right? So see this breakout. Let's see if it's going to be successful breakout or it's going to be a failure. That going to be drawing a box as well here. Okay, you draw that box here, see what happened here. In my opinion, I think that can be just a failure around these levels before we see one more drop down to the moving average as well. Okay, it's called commodity ice ZI. I will look for it. Okay. So yeah, that's what it's doing now. We are at try to test these highs. We stalled a little bit before it, so that could be also breakout successful one, because before the market tried to test this level, we stalled a little bit here, and we see a green nice giant candle nicely. If we stay at that rate, probably going the next candle we're going to continue back up to break out of this level. I see 70% could be successful breakout because we were here 50% of this zone. Now we're all the way up outside the zone itself, so that very much can continue back up. Let's see if I can get this one. Just copy over this one commodity. Blue, Zeng, ZA, future. That's India. Zinc, no. I'm sorry, I can't find it. I can't find it. I will do that next time. I promise. I promise I'll put silver on my list as well. Baunosi, see that nice momentum up, come back test the 20 moving average. I was long Monday and I exit again because I see the momentum is very weak. So I think if S&P 500 guys going to all-time highs again, I think we're going to see Aussie getting strong as well. So see that momentum here is really the trend is down as well. Keep that in mind. The trend is down. We didn't really broke any important swing high. This one is important, okay, because we broke below it, it will act as swing high. I like to see above this momentum. Even if we come above this one and we hold, that will be very good indication we'll continue back up. We broke above this one, it could act. That's the first level as well. This one is just a minor swing high because we're still inside here. We broke below this last swing low before the swing high, and we bounce off it, give you a failure. Very continuation nicely, very nice. A follow up is very good. Come back retesting, and I'm looking for a major move. So I will be buying inside this major move itself. I will be started buying above here to see that is going to be like waving, but overall I will be targeting that first high, and after that that low. That will be my zone to exit or enter, exit positions, right? Uh, what else? Pound New Zealand. Just give me a second, guys. Yeah, just a second. Right, sorry, just stuff going on. Pound New Zealand, very nice as well. I like it. Break above the 20 moving average nicely. Breaks through. That's the first wave, and we're looking for this to continue back up here. But I'm quite too late to the party. I think it's gonna stall a little bit here at this level. I'm waiting for it to test it, come back, and give me a proper pullback around here. I could have brought it earlier today, but I was busy with other assets. So I better wait for pullback. It will be for me too late to jump in the market now. It could be a failure today for pullback. So better wait for the pullback, then I'll re-enter on confirmation. I already have my portfolio. Portfolio is very full, so Pound New Zealand is just at the bottom of my list, and I've been busy with the rest of it. So I'm gonna leave it from the side for now. Pound CAD, CAD looking strong. Pound is weak against CAD. I have a one push ABC. Definitely is going to be in a play. We're looking for a retest of the 20 moving average below it, of course, not right on it, and touch maybe that support. Then we'll bounce from there. We'll see how that's gonna go. I did not trade it myself, but it's a bearish momentum going on. But don't forget that pound is strong as well, so we could see that all together is a pullback. Anyway, we tested that level, a very good area to exit. If you remember, I was calling a buy out of here, and we have a really good run. We had we had from this breakout about 450 pips, very good run. So pullback from there to there, looked for 250, 300 already. Probably will come back all the way down to the twin moving average a little bit. So anyway, we have also returning point here. I like this candle returning point, but didn't really go too far. Will be basically what we did. We just come back down, retest the 50%, and we break lower than 50% of this move up. If you understand what I mean, like this, up, down. So we're looking for ABC. Looks like it's going to be ABC. So 0 ABC. Then we'll see that it will come back down here. Then we'll start to come back up again to retest. Overall, we'll be looking for rotation to continue back up. Cup and handle. Pound Swiss, bounce off again, the level of support, coming back down very, very noisy. A lot of noise going on here. I don't see a direction yet. We one candle up, one candle down, one candle up, one candle down, and come back up again. So it looks like buyer in control, but for how far that can be, maybe up to this high, and we have a level here to look for as well. If I just mark it here as well, see that we have a cup and handle. 1 2 3 zigzag ABC, zigzag and break higher. So let's see if that's going to be successful or not. I don't trade it myself. If you trade it, I don't know why. What's your reason? There is other trade because this overall it doesn't really move much. In 154 pips in a matter of how many days? Nine days. Sorry, right, 7 days. 150 pips. You can do better in different different symbols, guys. I think pound USD, pound yen. Even if you trade euro, even if you trade euro USD, is going to do more pips than this one, in my opinion. Anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna call it off for now. I'm not sure how long I've been in. By the way, so if you new to the channel, please subscribe and like and leave a comment and ask me questions. Go to the Discord as well. I'm gonna do live voice only, or I can share my screen on Discord. If you know what this Discord is, check in description, click on the link, and you're gonna be registered there. Okay, guys, thanks very much, and you have a great day. I will talk to you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.